What is up? We are back again on the Yfz450-R. Just a little piece of info for everyone out there. Let me pull this out real quick. So me being somewhat new to dirt bikes and quads and all that, as you can see over here, I have this beautiful Rekluse clutch installed here. I did a great job. It cost $1,200. I got all the internals, the pressure plate, the springs, and this nice Rekluse cover. Where I was mistaken was I assumed when buying this that it came with a billet basket. So unfortunately, what we are looking at here is a cast aluminum basket, which is not the best, unfortunately, as far as stress is concerned. I may actually even be stressing it out more now. The fingers on these baskets. What we have here is a cast aluminum basket. The Rekluse clutch did, however, come with basket sleeves, which should strengthen the robustness of the fingers on this cast aluminum basket. Everyone seems to think that I will be fine as long as I'm not doing clutch up wheelies every 5 seconds. So I guess you don't want to overheat this cast aluminum too much, or put too much force on it all the time, and eventually it will wear out and I'll have to replace it anyway. So yeah, that is that part of the equation. So we're just gonna rock with it though and see. If it blows up, it blows up.
Yfz450-R. Tell you what I need to get better at too is fucking going from first to second gear with these boots. These boots are so big. Warm up laps off the roots right here. The track could be better, but we're working with a backyard track. All these clutch noises are normal. I feel like I'm starting to hear noises that maybe aren't normal. Maybe like that vibration you sound. I think? Is it gonna blow up? I don't know. We're just gonna send it. We're gonna send it, baby. So tired, I can hardly talk. so fun. Alright. Well, thoughts. I think for what I use it for currently, I think it's gonna survive. As long as I'm not doing hella wheelies, I'm probably okay. But I want to do wheelies. Thing is, if I want to do wheelies, I'm gonna have to upgrade this basket instead of grenading the motor. But this is a really fun machine to ride. I really enjoy it. I hope it never blows up. I would love to race one day. I would love to do some big air jumps one day. And I just don't want to dump too much money into it. But if I gotta dump another $400 or $500 into a basket so she will survive, then that's just what we'll do. But I'm probably gonna hold off a little while because I'm confident in the basket sleeves. I should probably chop those roots up. Where else I could make a lane on this course. Probably go up there a little more, but there's not that much more real estate, to be honest. I got my little donut circle here. And I got the 3 entrances and exits. Probably zoom around there. It wouldn't add that much diversity to the track. Even working with that right there is not going to add a whole lot of diversity to the track. I don't know. I'll tell you one thing. She's running good for now. She ain't exploded just yet. All the little alarms are going off. I gotta fix that one shock cover. Got a couple of roots I gotta watch for. Very rooty track. It's probably not good for the suspension or the tires. But this is where I got to ride for the most part. There's a big old root right there. You usually gotta jump that way. Shot. Burnout. Oh fuck. Went off road. I don't know what happened there. Shit, boy. Yeehaw. Oh shit. Almost flipped it. Almost fucking flipped her, bud. Oh shit. What do you guys think of the Yfz450-R? Rekluse clutch, internals at least, stock basket. We got the Alba Racing nerfs, the Pro Taper bar pad, everything else is stock. The Fox Motion boots, Yfz450 360 cam, looking a little jacked up. It's okay. Oh shit, boy. Alright. That's the quad. She's a ripper. Oh shit. Alright guys. Hopefully we got some decent shots there. Rekluse clutch, stock basket holding up for now. Looks good. I don't see any fractures or anything that would look remotely concerning just yet. It's hot though. I'll tell you that, it is hot. She's riding good for now. Y'all see my rig all zip tied up? That's how we do it. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's episode of the Yfz450-R. I really just wanted to get home and rip her. I was thinking about this stock basket situation. And, you know, I've already got everything installed. For me to put the basket on now, I'd have to spend another $400 or $500. Undo all the work I did. Take the cast aluminum basket off. And put on, hopefully, if I can even find a billet aluminum basket that just works with the Rekluse. I called Rekluse. Rekluse says they don't make a billet basket. So they said I would have to talk to Henson. Well, I tried to get a Henson clutch in the first place. I couldn't find a Henson clutch. Mountain Motorsports said they could get me this Rekluse. I foolishly assumed the Rekluse would come with the basket. Turns out that is not the case. So let my mistake be your lesson before you make the same mistake that I made. And make sure you find an upgradable clutch that actually has a compatible billet basket. I guess this is why a lot of people go to the 09 clutch baskets and clutch internals, because people post 09 have had the clutch baskets explode and grenade their engine. So maybe I would have been better off just going 09 internals and basket. It would have been cheaper too. But hey, you live and you learn, baby. We're gonna ride out the Rekluse for now, and hopefully it lasts. Time will tell. And we're gonna take her to Durham Town soon. I am gonna jump this fucker. I'm gonna jump this quad. I'm gonna send it far for the YouTube. So you'll witness me never jump the dirt bike, never jump the quad. I'm gonna take it to Durham Town and we're gonna send her just as she is right now. Stock basket, stock ECU, stock exhaust, stock everything except clutch internals. And we're gonna send her, baby. Alright, thanks for watching. Y'all please like and subscribe. Get with the movement. Thank you. Bye bye.